Welcome back to my channel, The Car Era. Today, this video is going to be about the 2028 Lexus LFR, a name that has been surrounded by rumors ever since Lexus started working on a new flagship sports car. For years, enthusiasts have been waiting for something that could bring back the excitement of the legendary LFA, and this new project has created huge interest around the Lexus performance lineup. The design has been linked to Toyota's GRGT3 program, but the exact name, powertrain, and final production specifications have changed as the project has developed. So today, we're looking at what is actually known, what has been seen in testing, and what is still only speculation. Interior. The interior of the 2028 Lexus LFR is still mostly unknown because Lexus has not released a full production cabin. However, the prototypes and concepts give us an idea of the direction Lexus could take. The cabin is expected to be focused heavily on the driver, with a low seating position, a compact steering wheel, and a digital cockpit designed around performance driving. Lexus is likely to combine premium materials with lightweight components, giving the car a more serious sports car feeling than a normal luxury Lexus. A large digital instrument display should provide information such as speed, engine or motor output, battery status, drive mode, navigation, and performance data. A central infotainment screen is also expected, although Lexus may keep the overall dashboard simple so the driver is not distracted. High-quality leather, Alcantara-style materials, carbon fiber trim, aluminum details, and premium stitching could be used throughout the cabin. The seats are expected to provide strong side support while remaining comfortable enough for road driving. Because this is expected to be a very low-volume flagship, Lexus could also offer a high level of personalization. Different seat materials, trim finishes, steering wheel designs, and performance-focused options could become available. Engine and performance. This is where the story becomes very interesting. Earlier reports about the rumored LFR suggested a twin-turbocharged V8 combined with hybrid assistance. Prototypes were even reported to have produced sounds consistent with a V8 powertrain. Some reports estimated extremely high power outputs, potentially approaching 900 horsepower. However, these figures were never officially confirmed by Lexus. More importantly, Lexus later revealed the LFA concept, and the company confirmed that this future production model will use an electric powertrain. The concept was developed alongside Toyota's new GRGT and GRGT3 programs, but Lexus has its own design and identity. That means we should not present the old twin-turbo V8 figures as confirmed specifications for a 2028 Lexus LFR. If the production car follows the LFA concept, we could see a very high-performance electric powertrain with all-wheel drive, rapid acceleration, advanced torque control, and a battery system designed for both performance and high-speed driving. Lexus has also shown that it wants its future electric sports cars to deliver a driving experience that feels more special than simply being fast in a straight line. The low body, wide stance, low center of gravity, and motorsport development should help create sharp handling and strong cornering performance. The final horsepower figure, acceleration time, battery capacity, top speed, and driving range have not been officially announced for a 2028 production model, so those numbers should be treated as unknown for now. Exterior. The exterior is expected to be one of the biggest highlights. The Lexus Performance prototype has an extremely long hood, a very low roof, wide rear bodywork, and a dramatic supercar stance. Its proportions are heavily influenced by the GRGT3 project, giving it a long front section and a powerful rear section. The front end is expected to feature slim LED headlights with a distinctive Lexus lighting signature. The nose is very low, while the bodywork appears to be shaped around airflow and cooling. The side profile is expected to feature large air channels, sculpted body panels, wide rear fenders, and a very low greenhouse. The production version should replace some of the extreme prototype components with road-legal parts, including normal glass windows and equipment required for street use. At the rear, the design is expected to be extremely wide and aerodynamic. Large vents, a powerful diffuser, slim LED taillights, and an integrated or active rear spoiler could all form part of the final design. Carbon fiber components are also expected to play an important role because reducing weight is especially important for a high-performance electric sports car. The final production design has not been revealed, but the prototypes already show that Lexus is aiming for a much more aggressive appearance than anything currently in its regular lineup. Features: the 2028 Lexus LFR is expected to feature advanced technology throughout the car. A fully digital cockpit, high-resolution infotainment system, connected navigation, wireless smartphone connectivity, over-the-air software updates, advanced drive modes, performance monitoring, and a premium audio system are all possible. A high-performance electric system could also include adjustable regenerative braking, multiple power settings, track-focused drive modes, launch control, advanced traction management, and intelligent torque distribution. Lexus could also introduce advanced active aerodynamics. Adjustable aerodynamic components could change their position depending on speed and driving conditions, helping improve stability at high speeds while reducing drag when maximum downforce is not needed. Safety. Despite its performance focus, the LFR is expected to receive advanced Lexus safety technology. Possible systems include automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, parking sensors, a surround view camera, traffic sign recognition, and driver monitoring. However, the exact safety equipment will depend on the final production version and the markets where the car is sold. Expected launch. The timing is still one of the biggest unanswered questions. Earlier reports expected the LFR name to appear around the 2027 model year, with a production version arriving after extensive testing. However, the project has since developed into something more complicated. Lexus officially revealed the LFA concept in 2025 as an electric supercar preview, and a functioning prototype was shown publicly again at the 2026 Goodwood Festival of Speed. For a 2028 model year, production could therefore be possible, but Lexus has not officially announced a 2028 launch date. Expected price. Because this is expected to be a low-volume flagship sports car, the price could be extremely high. Earlier industry estimates for the rumored LFR suggested a range somewhere between approximately $250,000 and $550,000, but Lexus has never officially confirmed pricing. If the production electric supercar reaches the market, its price will likely depend heavily on battery technology, carbon fiber construction, performance hardware, production volume, and how much advanced technology Lexus puts into the car. Leak reliability. There are several layers to the information surrounding this vehicle. The prototype testing is real, the relationship with Toyota's GR-GT3 development is real, and Lexus has officially shown the LFA concept and a functioning prototype. But the name LFR itself should still be treated carefully because Lexus has not officially confirmed that name for the production car. The earlier V8 hybrid reports were based on prototype observations and industry speculation, but they should not be presented as final specifications. Current evidence points toward the Lexus production sports car being electric. Official status. As of now, there is no officially confirmed production model called the 2028 Lexus LFR. Lexus has officially revealed the LFA concept as a preview of a future production electric supercar, and a functioning prototype has continued testing and public appearances. Lexus has also confirmed that the future LFA will use an electric powertrain. So if you see reports calling this car the 2028 Lexus LFR, remember that LFR is a name used by the automotive media and enthusiasts, not a name officially confirmed by Lexus at this point. Final verdict. The 2028 Lexus LFR could become one of the most exciting performance projects Lexus has ever produced, but there is still a lot we don't know. What we do know is that Lexus is developing a serious flagship sports car with strong connections to Toyota's new performance car program. The latest direction points toward an electric powertrain, an extremely low and aggressive design, advanced technology, and a strong focus on driving performance. The old rumors of a twin-turbo V8 hybrid created huge excitement, but the newer Lexus LFA concept changes the picture. If the production car follows that concept, Lexus could be preparing an electric halo car designed to carry the spirit of the original LFA into a completely different era. And if Lexus gets the balance between performance, sound, handling, technology, and luxury right, this could become one of the most memorable Japanese performance cars of the next generation. That's everything we know so far about the possible 2028 Lexus LFR. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on upcoming and future cars, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Car Era, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.